Alright, so we're playing this game. That's what we're doing. So, get ready to chow down on some epic gaming moments, huh?
Alright, where are we going?
Where are we dropping, boys? I think we are...
We can go like up here, maybe? Okay.
Probably gonna die, so...
I mean, would you rather go like up here, maybe?
Yeah, we've never been in the snow, so let's...
Yeah.
In the forest, you
First time ever on the Garrett641 YouTube channel, we go to the snow and Super Animal Royale. This is what you came here to see.
This is what you came here to see. This is a special video. You're only gonna see it one time. Yeah, you can only see this video once. It's a new YouTube feature. You know, it's just dumb. This water graphics makes no sense. The deep water is a lighter color, where the shallower water is darker. It's like the opposite of how it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, everyone's dropping from the Battle Bird. Alright, I'm dropping.
Alright.
So as you can see here, my umbrella says Josh on it, because that's my name now. I'm renaming my channel Josh641. Yeah, we're really outside the zone, so let's get on this road. There might be walkers around. There's a cave down here. Might find some walkers. Another cave. No, there's a rat in here, dude.
What?
Hold on. Oh, there's other people. Help! 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 Oh! Dude, why is he shooting me, dude? I'm like knocked. Alright, this is round 2. I was gonna have the video end there, but there's no way that it's long enough, so... Round 2, dude.
It's almost getting a dub, you know?
Yeah. Alright.
Back in the Battle Bird for round 2.
Back in the Battle Bird. Back in black, I hit the sack. That's what AC/DC says. They say, back in black, I hit the sack. Yeah, the game's way too loud. I'm jumping. Yeah. Well, you know, I'm afraid that someone's gonna comment on this video, say that I'm a boring ass Yeye Bird. A boring ass Yeye Bird. Dude, I got a purple machine gun already. Oh, there's like other people. There's other people in the where I am though. Yeah, I know. Well, it's okay. It's okay.
Stuck? Okay, there we go. Terrible weapons.
I got a grenade. I got a purple like it's a Tommy gun, so it's like basically it.
Should already start moving.
Yeah, I agree. Knocks. Boom. Dead shot.
I was hitting him with my friggin' marshmallow thing. I couldn't pull out my gun.
Dude, pick up this guy's armor and then duct tape it up.
Shit up.
Yeah. He also has an AK, I know you like those. You can also run people over with the ball, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Danger.
Oh, dude, I think that means the thing is coming there. The delivery bird.
Oh, dummy, I did it. I made the mark.
Guy.
How in the actual world did he kill me? Alright, where are we going?
Yeah. Let's go to the let's go like to the woods. I'm actually gonna move to this. Alright, I'm gonna jump now.
Oh, I didn't ask.
Alright, well, good luck playing this game on your own, bro. Dude, what's Josh?
Like when you turn, the Josh goes backwards.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say, what's Josh backwards? Is Haj. Oh, this cat guy's with us. He sucks.
You know he sucks.
Cause he's with us. They're attacking us already, dude. We don't even have guns. I don't even have a gun.
I don't have a whip.
Oh shoot, dude. This sucks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people near us. This is really bonkers. Alright, I got a gun now. Got a body armor.
We're going to zone.
I got a revolver, just like Rick Rhyme.
Yeah.
Yo, got level 3 armor.
Yeah, we're so
This is it. Dude, we're gonna
guys
win.
below me, guys below me. I'm running.
Hold on. I'm coming. You're so far from me, though.
I'm just sprinting already.
Got him.
You got both of them?
Got both of them.
Like where you're cracked.
Very easy. Yeah. Easy work. I'm gonna get their loot's down here.
Loot?
If you want it, I'm gonna get the SMG though. Oh, more people down here.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I guess I'm going to zone, dude. Reloading. Is he coming above us?
No, I don't see any of them coming above us, no.
I'm thinking could.
Yeah, I'm just saying. Oh,
to our right, left,
yep.
I mean.
Knocked one.
Oh, he got me.
Oh, he got me.
This game sucks.
Dude. Alright, we are... Ooh. Alright.
I can't click anywhere because it'll make me jump out of the battle bird.
You know what? Let's drop right here.
Okay.
Be a little different, you know, switch it up on a beat. Oh,
Because going to a secluded area did so well for us. Let's go to a crowded area.
yeah, well, if we go into these caves or something, yeah, these caves are pretty cracked.
Guy.
Guy.
Above.
Ooh, I got a purple tie, dude. I unlocked a purple tie. Let's go.
You're so lucky.
That was pretty good.
Did pretty much nothing.
Oh, there's another.
Oh. Good.
He definitely saw me though.
He came back. He's gonna stop and fight. He's walking around. Above.
Alright, watch out.
Knocked one, I think I knocked one. Yeah, I knocked one.
Oh, there he is.
Yep. Good stuff. I got a kill, dude, finally.
Oh, shoot. Alright.
Oh, shoot.
I'm unhealthy now. Alright, hold on. You need to come back for me, dude.
I'm gonna die, bro. I need to heal.
Get on. Quick.
I need to heal, bro.
I know.
Oh, dude, we're far, bro. Get off, and heal,
You can heal while you walk.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're close to the edge. We're good.
There's a guy.
Right.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Alright.
Got a heal juice.
You can pick up mushrooms too. But no, not the black ones though, because hold on. We're kind of close.
Fighting below us.
I know, I hear it.
Should I go around it? Oh crap, dude. Okay. Heal. Make sure you reload your guns too.
I know, they're reloaded.
Oh, we gotta go.
Oh shoot, alright.
This building.
I don't see a door, dude.
Hey, we're gonna be safe in here. There's an entrance right here. No! I can hide right here. You know if you're fighting. Hey, in the storm up here? Got him?
Oh, dude, we're gonna win!
Up! Okay, that's silence. No, my SMG. Okay. Ooh. I'm all healed up.
Oh shoot.
Gotta move. Get ready, they could be anywhere.
It's coming.
One down here.
Yeah, I heard a meow down there.
Right here, come right here. Wanna hold the crouch or whatever?
Hold on. I have sneak boots, so.
Oh yeah. I think I don't know.
No, you have to. You have no boots. Oh. Whew.
We're right in the next zone. They have to come to us.
Oh, I heard an explosion. 5 people left, so then 1 duo and yeah, 2 singles.
That was 2. Oh, okay. Who just died in the storm? Okay, never mind. That's okay. Get ready to fight. Let's go!
Yes!
Go!
Yes!
Let's go, dude!
For the video! Oh, dude!
Oh my god, dude!
Let's go!
Let's go, dude. I'm alive. Okay, you're dead, right?
Yeah, there's one more person left, I think. Or no, we won.